Welcome to Coding in Style, a series of short videos about how to improve our code. This is Dragos and you are watching episode number 10, where we talk about how to name function and how important it is to follow the requirements. Or not. Here is a true story that happened to a developer. Of course, another developer, not me. His wife said, "Honey," and he answered, "Yes, honey." Because this is how this developer was talking to his wife. You are already starting to understand that this is not a real story, correct? Because no developer in his right mind answers with honey when his wife is calling him honey, because he is smart enough to know that after this he will get some work to do. So in the real life, probably he will not answer. Just pretend that he didn't hear her. Or, if he answered, his answer would be yes, and his thoughts would be, there you go, now I'll get some work to do, and I won't get a chance to fix this code that's not working. But anyway, let's get back to the story. So, honey, yes honey, can you run to the store and buy something? See, I told you he would get some work. Sure, honey, what do you want me to get? Go and get some apples. See if they have eggs, buy 20. Just remember this as it is important. His wife said, go and get some apples. See if they have eggs, buy 20. Okay, let's write this down. Go and get some apples. If they have eggs, buy 20. Okay? So our developer goes to the store, and after he says hi to the lady, he asks, do you have eggs? Yes, we do. Then give me 20 apples. You get it, right? It's funny, no? Because he just did what his wife asked. His wife said, go and get some apples. See if they have eggs. Buy 20. You don't seem to agree with me. Let's write some code, okay? So first, let's write a function for buying stuff. Do something, right? Okay, let's write another function to decide if the store has eggs. And for now, let's just return true. Okay, and now let's write a function go shopping. And let's copy the requirements the wife says. Go and get some apples. If they have eggs, buy 20, okay? So our developer's mind working like that. Go and get some apples. Okay, so I use the function to buy apples. Buy apples. How many? He doesn't find that information. So he thinks something is wrong with this. So let's comment it. Maybe we'll find out later. Okay, so we continue. If they have apples, if they have eggs. Okay, so if has eggs, buy 20. Okay, so again buy 20. 20 what? Oops. Now he understands why was the first information given to him, go and get some apples. So he copies the apples from the first one here, because now it totally makes sense. So this is what he does. He's asking for eggs, and because they have eggs, he's buying 20 apples. Okay? So nothing wrong with what he did. Of course, you might say that his wife actually meant something else. He meant that for developer to decide how many apples to buy, and if they have eggs, to buy 20 eggs. But for developer's mind, this is not what he heard. So the real requirements should have been like this. Go and get 30 apples. So if they have eggs, buy 20 eggs. So in this case, our code should be buy 30 apples, and if they have eggs, buy 20 eggs. Now you're talking. So you can see the importance of having good requirements. Also, this is a proof that in most of the cases, the bugs in the software are not the fault of the developer, but the fault of the requirements, or incorrect or incomplete requirements. Okay, that's about it for now. Let's talk next time about how to name a function or a function parameter. Thank you for watching. If you found this interesting or useful, please send me a message or share this video with your friends. See you next time.